Hello everyone! Today in this video we are going to make sourdough hot dog buns. In Chile they call this bread pan de completo, and in the end of this video I'm going to show what filling Chileans put in their completos. Let's get started. For this recipe we need stiff levain. It has another name poolish, which I usually do before going to sleep because the fermentation time requires 8 to 12 hours. To do this we need 40 grams of sourdough, 100 grams of water, 1 small spoon of honey. Mix everything, and when the honey is dissolved, add 120 grams of flour. Mix everything together. So here I'm using a transparent jar that we can see the level of fermentation because it should triple in size. In the morning, as you see, my stiff levain triples its size. It's very important that when we are making our stiff levain, the starter is active. And now it's time to make our main dough. For this we need 500 grams of flour and 10 grams of salt. We mix it, then you need 280 grams of water, 50 grams of melted butter, and all of our stiff levain. First, we mix everything with a spatula. When our dough comes together, here in my case I leave it for 30 minutes. If you have a stand mixer, it can be mixed immediately for about 10 minutes. After 30 minutes, as you can see, this time it helped the gluten develop and allowed me not knead the dough for too long. I'm going to knead for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to let it ferment for 3 hours or until it doubles in size. After 4 hours, my dough is ready. First, we divide our dough into 8 parts. At this stage, it is better to use scale because it needs to be precise. We make balls and we need to let it rest for 15 minutes more. After 15 minutes, we need to shape into a hot dog bun and let it rest for another 30 minutes. To have a beautiful final proving, I'm gonna use baking tray for baguettes. If you are interested in the products and tools I use in my videos, for those people on Amazon I created a shopping list with all my tools and some ingredients. Link below. Thank you for your support. After 30 minutes, it's time to bake our hot dog buns. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees of Fahrenheit and bake at high temperature for about 5 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees of Fahrenheit and bake for 30 minutes more or until golden brown. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and it was useful to you. In that case, you have to subscribe to my channel because there are many videos about sourdough, Asian cuisine and French pastry. If you are having difficulties finding a recipe for your own traditional sourdough bread, you can write in the comment section your country and the name of your bread. As I promised, in the end I am showing the way how Chileans they eat their hot dog. They use some avocado, tomatoes and sausage. That's all simple. This is the way how they eat, and they call it completos. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.